Okay, so after that debacle, we now have some things that we need to put together. So it looks like I'm going to put this on here. Put this on here. They made it, whoever the designer was, did it so it was so delicate that if you pushed it too far, it would just fall apart. So I need 2 of these together. Then I need this on the front. I need this on here. I need this on here. Okay. And that's going to go there. Yep. So I'm going to do the same thing. Like this. Like this. Oops. Nope. That goes on the bottom. Duh. There we go. Now I'm going to take this piece here. And that piece there. That will go like this, and then these are going to go, come on, there we go, and this one's going to go like that. Okay, now we're going to do this careful like, okay, because apparently every time I touch this thing it wants to fall apart on me. So I'm going to put this right here. Just like that. How's that work? This came apart on the side. Of course it did. Because that's what it's being. It's a pain in the butt. And I kept trying to say, no, I don't want to put this together like this. This is the worst design ever. As a matter of fact, I think what I might do, parts is parts. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this on the side, but I'm going to fix this part here, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other one. So I'm going to go get a part that I need to actually secure it better. And I will, so like, subscribe, and share. As you can see, I put the cabin on there, the top part. I just need to put this back on the side because it's a little wobbly right now and I don't want it to fall off. But whoever designed this designed it to where it would just come apart on you as soon as you started messing with it. So let me finish it, and like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.